Good morning, children. Jayadash here. Today we are doing properties of triangle exercise 6.4. 6.3 we have finished before. 6.4, before going to 6.4, we have to understand another property. Property 3. In that property, what we have to do, property 3, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. See, this is a triangle. Can you see the triangle? Just made by the pencil and the two pencils and one pen. This is a triangle. If the structure is like a triangle, then sum of any two sides, this length plus this length, is always greater than the third one. Similarly, this length plus this length is greater than this one, or this plus this is greater than this. Let's see, this plus this is the total length. This plus this, is the sum of these two length is greater than this length? Yes. Then if this plus this sum of the lengths of the two sides, is it greater than this one? Yes. Now again I am trying 3 times. Have you seen it? This plus this, is it greater than this? Is it greater than this side, this length? Yes. That means if it is a triangle, then sum of the 3 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now this is very important for you. I have written important also. Suppose we choose two sticks of length 6 cm and 12 cm. Two sticks, one is 6 cm, another is 12 cm. Then our third stick has to be of length more than difference of the two sticks and less than addition of the two sticks. Try to understand. To make a triangle, if I have given you these two lengths, one is 6 cm and another is 12 cm, then what will be the length of the third side? The range of the third side will be lying between difference of the two sides and the addition of the two sides in between. That means the third side will be lying between 6 cm to 18 cm. In between 6 cm to 8 cm. You can try it by taking the measurement of these sticks or of 6 cm and 12 cm practically, and you can do this. I know few students will try to do this practically. For them, do and check it practically. And for all the students, you just only know that it will be, keep it in your mind that the length of the third side will be the line between the difference of the two sides and the addition of the two sides, this in between these two lengths. Understood? This is very important property and its implement. Now exercise 6.4. Exercise 6.4, we have to check, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Sides are given here 2 cm, 3 cm and 5 cm. Three sides are, length of the three sides are given. We have to check that triangle is possible or not. First we will add these two sides, 2 plus 3 cm, 2 cm plus 3 cm, say it is coming 5 cm, which is not greater than 5 cm. But our condition was that the sum of the two the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Here it is not greater than the third side, it is equal to third side. So I have to mention it. It is 5 centimeter, which is not greater than the third side. Third side was 5 centimeter, just it is become equal to 5 side. So our condition is not satisfied here. Next I will check this one, 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which comes 8 centimeter. Okay, it is greater than 2. This sum of these two is greater than 2, and sum of these two, 2 and 5, 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter, comes 7 centimeter. Yes, it is also greater than 3 centimeter. But the 3 condition I have to check. If I check 3 condition, these two are satisfied, but this is not coming to our property. This is not satisfying our property. So triangle is not possible. Our answer will be, as the above 3 conditions are not showing that the sum of the two sides of the sides is greater than the third side, so triangle is not possible by using these 3 lengths. Next, check this sum. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. You have to find out, check that is it possible to draw a triangle by using these sides. First we will add 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter comes 9 centimeter. Yes, it is greater than 7 centimeter. Correct. Next, 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, which is 13 centimeter, and it is, yes, it is greater than 3 centimeter. Correct. Now I have to add 3 and 7, 3 centimeter and 7 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter, which is greater than the third side, 6 centimeter. Here what we can see that every condition is satisfying the property that sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. So the above 3 conditions are showing that sum of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So triangle is possible here. Understood, students? This time you are doing few sums which you need to think and use your logical sense also. Next sum. This is also very important for you. AM is the median of triangle ABC. Median, you remember, median is the line segment which join the midpoint and the opposite vertex. Median, when they are telling median, that means this point is the midpoint of BC. Okay, AM is the median of triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM? This kind of sums you are doing first time. So check the video properly, listen it properly, 2-3 times you have to watch the video, then you will start writing, not before that. AM is the median of triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? Okay. As AM is the median, solution we have started. As AM is the median of triangle ABC, on the side BC, AM is the median on the side BC. So AM is the middle point of BC. Every time we will not write middle. Sometimes we will write midpoint. So AM is the midpoint of BC. Now in triangle, now we are not watching this triangle, only ABM. First we will observe this triangle. In triangle ABM, AB plus BM, AB plus BM is greater than third side AM. AB plus BM, as because it is a triangle, so AB plus BM is greater than AM. Reason, we know that the sum of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, and I am giving this as 1, equation number 1, or the part I have given 1. AM plus BM is greater than AM. Understood? Next, I am not watching this triangle now. This triangle I am watching now. AMC. or ACM, in triangle ACM, AC plus MC is greater than AM. Sum of the two sides is greater than the third side. AM plus MC is greater than AM. It is part number 2 or equation number 2. Now adding equation 1 and equation 2, what we will see, when we will add this kind of equation, we have to add this part with this part, left part with the left part, and the right part with the right part. So when we are adding this, then AM plus BM plus AC plus MC, AM plus BM plus AC plus MC, this side and this side we are adding, and greater than sign is here. So AM plus AM, right side here also AM, it was also AM, so AM plus AM. Understood? Next what happened, AB plus BM and MC I am taking together. Purposely I am taking together because BM and MC, the sum of BM and MC become BC. This part and this part, BM and MC become BC. That is why I have taken them together. BM plus MC and AC. Then AB plus BM plus MC plus AC greater than AM plus AM means 2AM. Therefore, AB, BM plus MC means BC plus AC greater than 2AM, which you have to prove, and it automatically it has came C. Our proving sum was, is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. AB, yes, AB plus BC plus AC greater than 2AM, and we have to write here proved. Understood? Now two very simple sums I will give you to solve today. Now today's work for you have to solve, and when you are solving it, every time you have to mention the reason as we have done in every sums. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides: 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter? The previously as I have done in this way, these three measurements are given. I have checked first these two, then these two, then these two. 3 conditions I have to check line by line, one after another, A, B, C. In this way I have to check these 3, and after that I have mentioned the reason also. What was the reason? Reason also I have mentioned here. So you have to do the same way when you are doing you have to mention the same way as you are doing when you are solving this sum. You have to do in the same way. One maths I have given 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Another one is like 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. You have to do that way I have shown. In each case you have to show the 3 steps. Understood? I hope you all understood and enjoyed also. This is the different kind of sums now you are going to do. So I hope all of you are very intelligent and easily you can do the sums. First of all, you have to watch the video carefully. Thank you, students.